Alright, we're out here. It's 2:07 a.m. We just got to the parking lot. About to hit the hay, get some rest, and then wake up for 30K. So it's the morning. It's like 8:30 or something. Probably a little late for a 30K start, but we're here. I'll give you a little montage of Colton getting ready. Might be sick, might be not. We're all warmed up. Woo.
Look at that view. Look at it. Just look at it.
Look at that view.
Oh, it's so pretty though.
Oh, there's some water on the lens. I gotta get that off.
Splash.
Busting out the push-ups.
Look at that forward, ladies and gents.
So the plan is, when we're on our way down, we're gonna sled from there all the way down to like there. It's gonna be smooth.
It's howling up here, boys.
Look at this beauty view though. The little trail that I showed you guys on the way up, this is it from the top. We'll see how she goes. I'm gonna tuck in a little bit, so I got snow down my pants. From here on, I might be able to catch some speed. There's Colton coming down. Shit.
Holy shit! What a beauty!
Yo, what do we got here?
Buffalo.
That's a buffalo? These things are vicious, eh? Holy, I'm scared right now.
I read a story on a site the other day, and it was like a family of 3 got killed by a wild buffalo.
No,
in
dude.
this area, yeah.
Dude, we're actually so lucky it didn't see us.
Yeah.
We got lucky this time. Next time, it's fair game. We did 32K today. So that concludes our day trip. And we're off to Squamish to get some, what, burgers and beer?
Oh yeah, dude, burgers and beers.
Back to Kelowna, and I had a sick day. That was sick.
9.897 out of 10. That's pretty hard to achieve, man.
That is pretty hard to achieve.
Right?
The summer vibes, we got the music going, and the sun setting, lighting was sick. Just the ocean, got some heavy summer vibes. That's what I was saying. It is sick. I hope you like this vlog.